In this video, we will cover current affair of 2 September. So let's start. Country has notified rules of transaction of business for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir recently. So the ministry is Ministry of Home Affairs. So Ministry of Home Affairs has notified rules of transaction of business for Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir. How much was the amount extended by Japan to India as emergency loan to fight COVID-19 pandemic? So the amount is 50 billion Japanese yen. Which among the following countries agreed to launch Trilateral Supply Chain Resilience Initiative SCRI Supply Chain Resilience Initiative in the Indo-Pacific region? So the answer is India, Australia and Japan. Which country plans to unveil the bronze statue of Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnis? So the country is China. Who launched the Chhaoni COVID Yodha Sanrakshan Yojana? So basically it is insurance scheme, life insurance by LIC. So it is launched by Rajnath Singh. So it will provide life insurance during the COVID pandemic. Okay, let's move to the next question. European Investment Bank plans to invest €650 million for the first metro rail line of which city? So European Investment Bank plans to invest 650 million euro for first metro line of Kanpur. According to report titled Fraud and Risk Management in Digital Payment released by Data Security Council of India and PayPal, what will be the worth of e-commerce market in India by 2026? So the answer is $200 billion. What is the contraction in GDP growth, India's GDP growth in first quarter of financial year 21 as per the data released by National Statistical Office? So the answer is 23.9. That is the GDP has fallen minus 23.9. Okay. As per the estimate of SBI EcoWrap, India's GDP for financial year 21 will be. So India's GDP for financial year 21 is minus 10.9%. Find the person who got 6-month extension as the chairman of CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. So the CBDT chairman is Pramod Chandra Modi. Hemant Khatri assumed charge as the chairman and managing director of which public sector committee? So Hemant Khatri assumed charge as the chairman of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Hemant Khatri assumed charge as the chairman of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Who is the chairman of the steering committee constituted by central government for green initiative in coal sector? So the chairman is V.K. Saraswat. V.K. Saraswat is the chairman of the steering committee constituted by the central government for green initiative in the coal sector. How much crore worth contract was signed by Defence Ministry with Indian companies for supply of 6 Pinaka regiment to the Regiment of Artillery of the Indian Army? So the answer is 2580 crores. Which institute of CSIR has developed the world's largest solar tree, Durgapur, West Bengal? So the world's largest solar tree at Durgapur, West Bengal is developed by Central Mechanical Engineering Institute. Ligo is the AI-powered voice chatbot of which company? So Ligo is the AI powered, artificial intelligence powered voice chatbot of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. Name the remote control medical trolley which was developed by Indian Railway. So the remote controlled medical trolley was developed by is Medbot. Medbot is the remote controlled medical trolley which was developed by Indian Railway. Who has authored the book titled The Presidential Year? So the book is written by Pranab Mukherjee, our former president. Name the person who has written the book named The Big Thoughts of Little Love. So it is written by Karan Johar. Pranab Mukherjee, who passed away recently, is the President of India. So he was 13th President of India. Telugu Language Day is celebrated annually on 29th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of whom? So it commemorates the birth anniversary of Gidugu Venkata Ramurthy. Gidugu Venkata Ramurthy. Which Indian state observed Local Self-Government Day on 31st August 2020? So this state also launched Amar Sahara mobile app on this occasion. So the state is Odisha. The Food and Nutrition Board functions under which ministry? The Food and Nutrition Board functions under Ministry of Women and Child Development. What is the capital of Greece? So this is the static GK question. So the capital of Greece is Athens. Onam is the festival celebrated across which state? So it is celebrated across Kerala. Where is the headquarters of Hindustan Shipyard Limited located? So Hindustan Shipyard Limited headquarters is located at Visakhapatnam. Vular Lake is located in which state? So Vular Lake is located at Jammu and Kashmir. So that's it for this video.